day, an incident struck as a group of students fell ill after consuming street food resulting in food poisoning. Ms. Pitalio, can you give us first-hand account of what just unfolded outside?
Magandang gabi! Meron tayo ditong kasama isa sa mga nakaranas ng pagsakit ng tiyan dulot sa pagkain ng street food. Sir, ano pong pangalan nyo?
Ako nga po pala si Dennis Ikem.
Maaari niyo ba sa aming italakay ang pangyayari?
So ayun na, bumili muna kami ng mga kasama ko sa dun sa canteen ng street food. So ayun, na habang after namin kumain, syempre gumala muna kami, pumunta kami dun sa malayong lugar na hindi mo pupuntahan. Tapos noon, habang nagkwentuhan kami, nakaramdam na kami ng pagkasakit ng tiyan, nahihilo. Tapos yung isa namin kasama is parang nahimatay na yan, nasusuka, ganun. So ayun.
Dalawa lang po kayong sumakit ng tiyan or lahat po kayo?
Lahat po kami nagkaroon ng, tatlo po kami nagkaroon ng, pagsasakit ng tiyan, pagkahilo, tapos yung isang pagsusuka. Kumbaga, yun dahil sa pagkain namin ng street food, kaya yung mga nangyari.
So, ano pong advice or man i-share nyo tungkol sa pangyayaring naganap ngayon?
Advice ko siguro, tingnan muna yung mga part na pagkain na dapat baking, siguro din na malinis. Tanongin yung mga nagtitinda kung malinis ba to or safe bang kainin, ganyan. Tapos kung ano naman, kung hindi pa kayo sure, huwag na kayo bumili para safe talaga. Kumbaga sa bahay na kayo kumain.
As Ms. Pitalio shared her account of incident, it became clear that the repercussions of consuming contaminated street food can be severe. Questions arise about the safety and hygiene standard of street food vendors. These incidents serve as a stark reminders of a potential risk associated with consuming unregulated food. In light of this unfortunate event, food handler must be prioritized food safety measure to prevent similar incidents in the future by following guidelines such as ensuring personal cleanliness, practicing proper hand washing, using gloves correctly, storing food at the right temperature, and preventing cross-contamination. Food vendors can significantly reduce the risk of foodborne illness. Additionally, regular health check of employees, implementing through cleaning and sanitizing procedure and proper waste disposal are essential steps to maintain a safe food environment. It is imperative for all food vendors to take responsibilities of safety of their consumer by adhering these food safety practices diligently. It is imperative for all food vendors to take responsibility for the safety of their consumer by adhering these food safety practices diligently. By doing so, they can help prevent incidents like this one that has deeply impacted this community. Let us work together to ensure the food handling standards are upheld to protect the health and well-being of everyone.